Today we have a very special video for you. We're here in Romania at our production facility where all Marian boats are being made. Let's have a look inside. So this is the heart of our new shipyard. This is the place where all the boats are being finalized and then are being put on a truck and sent to Austria. We have a few boats that are almost done, the Laguna 760 and the Magic 640, which are now being prepared for the USA. So let's check out our new carpentry room. This is one of the key rooms in our shipyard. This is the place where all the wood is being processed. We have lots of machinery to ensure the highest quality possible. And for example, this is a thick floor that is just being prepared by our specialists and then is getting installed into the boats. Welcome to the Fiberglass Production. This is actually one of our most important rooms. This is the start of every Marian boat build. On the left and right side you can see the molds that are just being prepared for fiberglass lamination. And here on the right hand side we have the infusion process. The infusion process is the more modern way of building boats. Here we also have an M800 Spider that is just being finalized. In the morning they started filling up resin, and in a couple of hours the boat will be dry and then ready to unmold. Here we have our smallest room in our shipyard. This is where all the metal parts on our boats are being handcrafted. You can see the locksmith building quite unique pieces. For example, our shaft bracket, which are being custom made for our boats. But also parts like on the M800 Spider, the handrails. They're all being done in here. Finally, we have our last room. This is the carpentry room. This is where all the upholstery on all of our boat models are being made. Here, for example, we have a seat of the Delta 600 that we just saw outside. This is a 2-floor section, and let's have a look upstairs. Upstairs, we have a lot of tracing going on the ladder. We have the templates on the back wall, and on the other side of the room we have the whole machinery where all the stitching is being done on the upholstery. If you want to get a coffee break, you can just look outside of the window and have a beautiful look on our freshly and finished electric boats. We're at the end of our tour. Hope you guys enjoyed our new production site here in Romania and you learned more about the production of Marian boats. Obviously, we couldn't show you everything as we still have some secrets that are just for us. But we have some amazing projects coming up for the future. And make sure you stay tuned and see you guys soon. Bye bye.